Hi, it's Nadia. Today I'm going to share 3 secrets. Make your bread making and bread recipe simply easy and versatile. Have you ever experienced some situations that I had? Just wanted to make a basic, simple bread, but don't know where to start. Bought a nice new bread pan, but have no idea how much dough needed for that pan. Had a wonderful bread recipe. Despite half it, double it, or triple it directly, you find it still hard to perfectly fit your baking pan, either making too much or not enough. Wanted to make a larger amount of bread for meal prep routine or for social occasions as gifts to others. Wanted to add, remove, or substitute certain ingredients, but have no idea how much amount is suitable. Well, these 3 secrets will help answer our questions, solve our problems all at once. You'll find it super easy to make a nice homemade bread, with no recipe actually needed, using any baking pan you want, and moreover, according to your diet or preference, create your own bread recipe. Let's get started together. First secret is the golden ratio of basic bread ingredients. Flour, water, salt, and yeast are all we need. The golden ratio is a useful and easy to remember weight percentage, comparing ingredients weight to flour weight. The flour weight is set as 100%. Water is 60%, salt is 2%, and instant yeast is 1%. If you use active dry yeast, it's 2%. Total percentage is 100 plus 60 plus 2 plus 1, 163%. Which means, if we have 100 grams of flour to make a bread dough, the dough weighs 163 grams. Also, if we have 1 pound of flour to make a bread dough, the dough weighs 1.63 pounds. Ratio of water is adjustable, depending on humidity and room temperature. Ratio of other common ingredients will be addressed later. The second secret is about baking pan, the pan and dough volume ratio. At home, we might have several baking pans in different sizes and shapes. How much dough we need for a particular pan? Normally, the ratio of pan to dough is about 4:1 or 3:1, and in between. Knowing this ratio, we can further calculate the right amount of all the ingredients needed. Let's elaborate it in details with the loaf pan I use for example. The loaf pan measurement is 8 by 3.5 by 4 inches, about 20 by 9 by 10 centimeters. The volume is 20 by 9 by 10 equals to 1,800 cubic centimeters, equals to 1,800 millimeters, about 60 ounces. Weight and volume of water is equal, so water in this loaf pan weighs 1,800 grams, about 4 pounds. Set the weight ratio of water in loaf pan to dough needed as 4:1. 1,800 grams divided by 4 equals to 450 grams. It means a dough of 450 grams, about 1 pound, is suitable for this loaf pan use. According to golden ratio and its total 163%, the bread ingredients we need are 276 grams of flour. It's 450 grams divided by 163% and multiplied by 100%. 165 grams of water. It's 450 grams divided by 163% and multiplied by 60%. 5.5 grams of salt. It's 450 grams divided by 163% and multiplied by 2%. And 2.7 grams of yeast. It's 450 grams divided by 163% and multiplied by 1%. To the nearest whole number, it can be 300, 180, 6 and 3 grams. It's about 2 1/4 cups, 3/4 cup, 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon. Also, 10 ounces, 6 ounces, 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon. It's easy to remember in different weight units. The third secret is to create your own recipe. Most of the time, we'll add butter and sugar. Butter is 6%, sugar is 3%. Also some solid or powdered ingredients, for example, adding dry fruits, nuts, or chocolate. The ratio can be set as 10 to 50% to flour weight. Or adding other powders, the ratio can be set as 1 to 5% to flour weight. Golden ratio of basic bread ingredients. With these principles, our original recipes can be easily adjusted. The pan and dough volume ratio. Moreover, we are able to create any new recipe, explore all the ingredients we like. Bread making is both a science and an art. Learning to make bread is quite a journey to me. In the beginning, it was fun to take a challenge learning something I don't know. Unexpectedly, the more I learn, the more I like to make, the more I want to study, and the more I enjoy baking. I hope this information and summaries help you to have fun in baking. Create your own bread recipes, and that the homemade bread warms up both your stomach and heart. Please always remember that life is beautiful. You are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.